Foresights TV with me, Esma. Japan is facing a new advisory from the Japan Meteorological Association or JMA concerning the potential for a mega quake in the future following a reassessment of the earthquake risk posed by the Nankai Trough. This advisory issued under newly established guidelines highlights the possibility of a massive earthquake that could devastate large parts of Japan. The last major earthquake in 2011 led to the significant casualties and damage, prompting the creation of these updated precautionary measures. The Nankai Trough, a significant subduction zone between the tectonic plates in the Pacific Ocean, has a history of generating powerful quakes, making it crucial for residents and authorities to be prepared. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. The Nankai Trough is an 800-kilometer undersea trench extending from Shizuoka near Tokyo to the southern tip of Kyushu Island. It is a major zone of tectonic activity where the Philippine Sea Plate is subducting beneath the Eurasian Plate. This region has experienced several significant megathrust earthquakes characterized by their immense magnitude and destructive power. Historical records indicate that the trough has produced magnitude 8 or 9 quakes approximately every century or two. Notably, the 1707 earthquake, one of the most powerful recorded, triggered the last eruption of Mount Fuji and has devastating effects. Subsequent major quakes occurred in 1854 and 1944 to 1946, demonstrating a pattern of destructive seismic activity. The JMA's recent advisory points out that while the likelihood of the major earthquake occurring in the near future is higher than usual, it does not imply that such an event is imminent. The assessment is based on historical patterns and current seismic data, which suggests that the Nankai Trough is overdue for a significant quake. The potential impact of such a mega quake is severe, with predictions estimating up to 300,000 fatalities and economic damages reaching $13 trillion. This projection underscores the gravity of the situation and the need for comprehensive disaster preparedness. The advisory is intended to encourage individuals and communities to enhance their readiness for such an event, including securing homes, preparing emergency kits, and familiarizing themselves with evacuation procedures. Despite the high potential risk, experts stress that there is no immediate cause for panic. The recent magnitude 7.1 earthquake, while significant, is not necessarily indicative of an impending megaquake. Seismologists point out that while the likelihood of another major earthquake following a significant quake can be elevated, the overall risk remains relatively low. In California, for example, a majority quake has only about a 5% chance of being a foreshock. Japan's government advises residents to quake-prone areas to take proactive measures to mitigate potential damage and loss of life. This includes securing furniture, maintaining disaster supply kits, and staying informed about evacuation routes and procedures. Japan's recent advisory about the potential for a megaquake highlights the country's ongoing vulnerability to seismic events and the need for vigilant preparedness. By taking appropriate precautions and staying informed, individuals and communities can better manage the risk associated with Japan's seismic activity, ultimately enhancing their resilience in the face of potential future earthquakes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Esma.